Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now, we are going to discuss about the hardware text systems in the information retrieval systems. So what is the importance of the hardware text systems? What are the various sophisticated hardware text systems and how they will work? All these things now we are going to see. In the previous sessions, we have successfully completed the software text algorithms and their comparisons as well. So you please watch the software text search algorithms, and now we are going to discuss about hardware text search systems. What is the importance of it in our information retrieval systems? Okay, actually while going to the hardware text search systems, we have to talk something about the software text search. Actually, the software text search is applicable for many kind of the situations, but in the case it also face some kind of the restrictions also to handle multiple number of the search items at a time to search for the input strings. Okay, and limits this one due to input output speeds. Okay, so the main disadvantage of this is the software text search algorithms. They can't handle multiple search terms in parallel, and at a time multiple such pattern checking or testing is not possible due to input output speeds. This is one of the major drawback of the software text systems. So in order to reduce this kind of the disadvantage or this kind of the drawback, we are moving towards hardware text search systems. Okay, so this is the best approach is to have a specialized hardware machine and to perform the searches and pass the results to the main computer and give the retrieval of hits. Okay, so in this regard, to handle the multiple search terms and multiple search items are to be handled successfully by the hardware text systems, and they are giving the results to the computer, they are giving the results to the user very perfectly. Okay, next. And one more thing we have to remember here, the search is completely hardware based here. We are not using any kind of the algorithms. Directly the hardware components only we are using for texting, for checking the items and for searching the items. Here scalability is achieved more, and more scalability by using the more number of the hardware search devices. But only one limitation is there here, is the time it takes to flow the text of the secondary store devices. Whenever you are using the secondary store devices, it takes much more time to store the information on the secondary storage devices. Only that one is the disadvantage here. Remaining is it is highly advantageous than the software text algorithms. So obviously we to improve the scalability to search for multiple number of the search items, we are going for hardware text search systems. So that is the main motivation of the hardware text search systems. Okay, and one more thing here we need to talk about is by having one search machine per disk, the maximum time it takes to search a database for any size will be the time to search one disk. So to search one search machine per disk, it takes the same time to search the entire database of the disk. So how much time it is saving? Okay, and some systems the disk were formatted and they have to be optimized. Okay, and one more advantage of using this is it is removing the indexes also which we are used in the document databases. Okay, so typically the indexes are 70% of the size of the actual items. Indexes occupies multiple number of the memory, multiple number of the memory spaces. So these hardware text systems are reduced to the indexes. So that's why that kind of the space also be there. So that kind of the place also again be reused. Okay, so it removes the indexing also, and it takes very less time to access the data from the disk. And we have to we can format the disk, and we can optimize the disk to improve the speed of the disk, to improve the speed of the searching of the systems. One more advantage is that any new items can be searched soon and receive the indexes, receive the items fastly, we need not wait for the indexes because indexes are perfectly removed here. So whatever disadvantages are there in the indexes, all are can be effectively eliminated here. And even though it may be slower than using an index, the predictability of how long it will take the stream the data provides the user with an exact search time. Okay, so we can predict how long the data stream of the data provides the data here. Okay, so these are the advantages of the hardware text search systems. Okay, so that's why we can always go for hardware text systems. And now we see what are the various earlier hardware text systems, the basic hardware text systems. What are the main components of it? In this picture we are watching the hardware text search unit here. This is the basic unit. Okay, it contains four different number of the elements: the database, term detector, query resolver, and user interface. Database is directly connected to the term detector. The term detector is again connected to the query resolver and the user interface. So whatever terms are searched by the user, those terms can be detected by the term detector from the database. The term detector work of the term detector is to access the terms from the database. And after accessing the terms from the database, it according to the query, these those are there or not. So whatever logical operations are applied on the query by using those terms by the user. Okay, so it will apply those logical operations or arithmetic operations which are passed by the user in the query on those terms whatever he has accessed from the database. So query resolver is always responsible for operations, either the logical operations or the arithmetic operations, whatever they are. We have to apply those operations on the terms whatever we have accessed from the database, and that again directly connected to the user interface. And those terms will be the operations we carried out on those terms, that will take as an output, and that output will be passed to the user interface. Like that, the database, term detector, query resolver, and user interface is directly connected. So this is the way the query can be accessed, the term can be accessed, and query can be executed using the hardware text search unit. So these are the main components of the hardware text search unit. Term detector detecting the terms, query resolver is used for set of the operations, and it passes the information to the user directly. Okay, so next we are going to talk about what are the other kind of the hardware text search systems from the earlier onwards. The earliest hardware text string search unit is rapid search machine. It was developed by GE company. Okay, and another one is the associative file processor. It is also called as AFP, developed by the Bird company. And the main activity of it is searching against multiple queries. It can handle multiple number of the queries at the same time. So these are considered as the more sophisticated text search systems. Apart from this, some more hardware sophisticated text search systems we are going to discuss are GE Scan text array processor and fast data finder. These two are considered as highly sophisticated hardware text search systems. So we are going to discuss about these two terms. Okay, so one is the GE Scan text array processor and another one is the fast data finder. So okay, so please keep on watching my video. We will complete all the information retrieval system contents. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you for watching.